Ona thengia ya uthuku wa riera guku Nairobi, mbitika cia Davis Cup muthako-ini wa tennis ni cingirire thiku ya keri na kuria Akenya mathiete na mbere na kwandikithia maumirira mega mbitika iria inyitite thinga kiaro-ini kia Nairobi Club. Ibrahim Kibetiego andikithirie uhotani ngucanio-ini yake ya mbere agithaka na Bruno Havino wa Mozambique na seti igiri gwa gibugu kwetukira point 6-2 6-2.
Set 1 and set 2 the scores were the same, but I tackled everything almost the same way because I used the same tactics I was using the first set, and it was still working the first after I took the first set and the beginning of the games and the second set. So I continued doing the same things and I got the victory with it.
Rere riuma rita ria mbere ria muthaki Bruno gutungata thiini wa ngucanio cia Davis Cup. Mwena-ini wake Felix Hongpev wa bururi wa Benin amatha uhotani magithaka na Etienne Tebo wa Cameroon na seti igiri gwa gibugu cia point 6-1. Jorwa ya guku bururi-ini muthako-ini uyu Ismail Changawa akurumania Frank Mata wa Mozambique na seti igiri gwa gibugu cia point 6-1.
All right, I mean, it was good. I went there. In the first set, I was more comfortable because I'm at home. So and then I started stepping up on the first set, and then the second set, I don't know what happened. Started sleeping a little bit, but and then I managed to step up.
Mbitika ici igukoro igithie na mbere nginyagia muthi wa Jumamothi kiumia giki. Hĩndĩ iyo ucagurani wa timu iri karugamirira bururi mbitikaini cia gitaru kia Afrika bururi-ini wa Nigeria ni wirigirirwo gutafanio muthia-ini wa kiumia giki kiaro-ini gia Kasarani. Ucagurani uyu ukite oriri timu ya Biraru, borithi hamwe na borithi cia njera watafanirio kiumia githiru. Girifotera Kameme TV haro-ini, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Dogo.